mga Bebe Loves! Welcome back to my channel. And again, this is Jessica M. And today, mag-unboxing naman tayo nung coffee grinder natin. So, this one, regalo din sa akin to ng boyfriend ko. This coffee grinder is burr grinder. We bought it from Amazon. And the brand is Krups. And I think yung series na is GVX2. So, ito yung box niya. And let's start the unboxing. So, first we have the manual. Manual, medyo makapal siya. Siyempre nakakatama din pa sa atin. Then, what's this? Warranty card. Tapos, meron siyang panglinis. So, ito na siya. Ito yung plug niya kasi sa UK na tayo. Tadaan! Tadaan! So, now we will try the coffee grinder. And instruction is we have to clean this one with warm water and soap. So, nalinis ko na siya. It's already been cleaned. And ito yung fineness niya, yung ground coffee. How fine it is. So, itatry ko na lang siya. I don't have any idea for this one. Kung gaano siya ka-fine. And this one would be, meron siyang option on how many cups do you want to make. So, automatic na siya for this one. So, first is, I'll be using this Guatemala coffee bean. We bought it also from Amazon. Let's try. First time kung magkaroon ng electric coffee grinder. So, just need to open this one. Meron namang marker, there's a marker here na for the maximum amount. So, let's try. Then, for the espresso machine, I think ito yung fine then coarse. We'll try this one. I'm gonna do for the cups. Let's do minimum of 2 cups. This one. How can I on this one? Right. This is the unbutton. cups.
This is how fine. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. But I think ito na yung para sa espresso.
We'll try yung course. So you'll have the idea. Usually, sabi nila yung mga course na ground coffee is for filtered, cold brew. So, let's try again. Just 2 cups for you to see that how coarse it is if we're gonna use the max. Let's try.
This is how coarse it is. So, I see the difference. Pero this is yung fine and this one is yung coarse.
So, mga Bebe Labs, that's how we use this coffee grinder. And on my other videos naman, we're gonna use the ground coffee to make our latte and cappuccino from the Breville espresso machine. Thank you so much for watching. And again, this is Jessica M. Have a good day. Bye!